I was sent this air compressed cleaning device and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out. This is from VEVOR. They make all kinds of great tools and housewares, good quality stuff. Comes with an instruction manual here and 2 nozzles. So both of these can be used. They just thread onto the end here. And what's interesting about the 2 is this one's got some brushes, but there's nothing through the center of this cover here, just brushes. This one here is just a funnel, no brushes on it or anything. But what's inside the middle here is this rotating end. So there's like a bearing or something in there that allows this to stay on here and just to spin. So while you're blowing compressed air through, you're always trying to just blow it and wiggle it with your hand. You don't have to do that because it's going to do it all by itself. It's going to spin when the air is flowing out, and you're going to have this pattern of air movement in all directions. So you're going to be able to clean whatever you're cleaning that much quicker and easier with this tool. So that's it. You're just going to need to thread on the appropriate compression fitting here for your air compressor. It's going to thread right on the back end here, and then connect it up to your compressor, and there you go. You're just going to be able to start blowing clean whatever device you're trying to manage. It's got a nice metal handle on it. It's got a really easy to use trigger here and a carry hook here too, so you can hang it up. We're going to head and use this cleaning a piece of my equipment and see how it does. I'm just going to connect the supply line here to the tool. Plugs in like that, and then immediately push the trigger. Sounds like a little jet engine just going off as it rotates and spins and pushes that air in all kinds of different directions. Show you how to blow some of this dirt off of this piece of equipment here. Overall, a really cool tool, something just nice to have in your air compressor toolbox and be ready to go when you got to clean anything out with high pressure air. Does all that jiggling for you. Hope that helps. Have a great day.